review sample ZM on YouTube. Glad to have you with us. Let's have a look at this today. Username and password manager. UPM credentials manager. So this is the home section. So we have the registry. So registry, we have credentials added to the registry, username and passwords. Then we can add some credentials here. So we can say example, name of platform. So say audio. Add an email. Email address at, let's say, AUDIO audio. Audio streaming.com. Then we can come here, we can add the password randomly, or we can have one generated. So we'll have one generated. So notice new password has been generated. We'll just click OK. So that's the password which has been generated. Then we'll add this to registry. New credentials added. So we'll go back to registry. Then we can search for AUDIO. Nothing's been returned. I wonder why. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Okay, there we are. It was there, STRE. No, it's disappeared again. Keeps popping up. Let's see. Let's do that again. AUDIO. Okay, so AUDIO STREAMING. I'll just scroll down to the bottom here. And there it is. Okay, so audio streaming service, my email address at audiostreaming.com. Then this is the password. So we can generate a new password if we don't want this one. Can add one randomly. For example, we'll add this one randomly. Then we can just press change details. Okay, so the details will change. Then we can come back again. Search AUDIO. Okay, there we are. Audio streaming service. So we'll click on that one. So there's the password that we added. So we can change that again. Well, let's change that password. We'll generate a new password. And that has been generated. Then to my email address.com, audiostreaming.com, audio streaming service platform. And okay, I can change the details. So I can change. Then and come back again to that one. Select on it again, then you can copy the password. For example, if we want, password has been copied to clipboard, and we can come here. Let's see, this will load, just hold on. Okay, login. Okay, so password. So highlight there, paste, and that's the password from here. That's the password from here. So these details we have added, these are the ones we're going to intend on using to log into the website. So email address is not so much the hardest to remember, they're easily remembered. So we can just go back to the app again. Let's just click that one, and we'll say my AUDIO. Okay, my email address, my email, email, address at audio stream audiostream.com. So here we assume that we've already signed up with the service, and this is the username and password that we've originally intended to use, and we'll just go in and log in. Of course, there's no data yet, so if we use those credentials to sign up, it was going to go through, but it's going to say something else. Something went wrong, have another go, try again, dismiss. Okay, we're going to dismiss because we haven't signed up with this, so we go back, then we say sign up for free, but that will require, okay, what is your email address? So put none of the above, sorry. Offline, check your connection and try again. So here we can do this. So my email address at audiostream.com, and we'll come back, and we can add that one. Say my email address at audio strea and audiostream.com. Then next. So that's what it's going to do. It's offline. Okay, and try to offline, check your connection and try again. So it won't go through, but this would be an email address that you intend to use to sign up with this platform. And this, for example, would be a password you intend to use. So this is copied to the clipboard to use to sign up with the platform. So this would be the password that you have selected, and you would start by setting it up in the app here, and thing like that. Then here you can go back, then you can come here, then let's say audio streaming service. So you can copy the password, you can go back, you can select that one again. Okay, let's go back. Okay, there we are. You can select that one. Then that one, if you want, you can copy the password. You can go back. You just leave things as they are. You can generate a new password, or you can delete the account details, credentials deleted, returning to registry. It will return you to registry. Then you'll notice that there's nothing to do with audio streaming. AUDI. So as you can see, there's nothing in the registry. or that data has been deleted, anything. But if you do have like an account, then you don't remember the account, you obviously start by putting it here. So let me see, like for example, we come here, I have this, so I'll come here, then this would be like, I'll copy the password, this would be the password, then email spotify@onlinemusic.com, then we'll come here, then we'll say email, email Spotify, Spotify at music at music.com, at music.com. Then so this would be the password that I'll use to log in, and those would be the login details if I registered using those details. And yeah, so the usual here is just going to show that no internet has been detected. Okay, this email and password combination is incorrect, so just click OK. So just simulating, and I don't know what it's going to do. Okay, so it has brought us back to this screen, so I think we can just come here. Is it here? So alright, okay, so I can get rid of that. Then yeah, we come back here, then we can come back to the registry. We can. Okay, we're back in the registry. Then here we have total number of entries, so there's 24 credentials here. Then there's just one more thing I have to show you. Okay, so you can do like a nest of, call it nest of data, group of identical information. So we'll say, let's come here, NACO. So here we would have your Zanaco ATM card. So under your user ID section, you'd add your CVC and your expiry date. Then where there's the password, you just add the ATM card. Then you can come back here from time to time when you want to utilize your ATM card, for example, online or something like that. Then here you have your bank account data. Then here you have the branch. Here you have the branch, then here you have the code, the branch code, then under password, you have the bank account number there. Then you can have, let's just do that again. Okay, then under mobile app there, you have your email address and password for logging into the mobile banking app and things, so you can add the thing information like this. Then you can pull all this data by just highlighting, just entering just something like this, and then everything related to what you do with Zanaco will come up there. So that will be your ATM card, your bank account, and your mobile application. And that's all. That's how this app works. So they come back to the home screen, and yeah.